Over here, you little freaks. What are you guys doing? It's not wrestling. Let's fix your headgear, DJ. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. There you go.
I want to fly like this.
No, do it the other way. Believe me, it works better. Go. Go.
Be fast at it. Just go. Put it back to your face. Punch it back to your face fast.
DJ, swing back, buddy. Now throw that straight one, DJ. Throw it, throw it. Okay.